How to fix text typing issues in Photoshop. So if you want to fix your text typing issues in Photoshop, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Photoshop application. After opening your Adobe Photoshop software, you'll be redirected to the home page. Simply click on the edit button, which will be on the top left. After that, you need to just simply scroll down and then go with the preferences option. Under preferences, you need to go with the general section. And inside the general, you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with reset preferences on quick. You need to click on that and then click on OK. Confirm the changes. After that, access the Windows feature from the top of your screen and make sure to reset the essentials. You need to go with workspace, and from workspace, you need to go with reset essentials right here. Once you're done with it, you need to exit the software and then again reopen it, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.